Eufy currently has a huge range of cameras, but what would you like to see next? It's very exciting to see what Eufy will come up with next in their camera range, and I have a few wish list ideas which are quite out there, so go with me on this. My first wish list item would be a 360-degree view camera like the Insta360 Action Cam, which gives a live 360-degree view at all times. Secondly, how about a flying drone camera that sits in a charging base, and when a motion is triggered or a automation is triggered, the camera takes off, flies around, finds the subject, films it, and then lands back in the charging base. The next camera I would like to see is a dedicated wildlife cam, which is maybe camouflaged and comes with a flexible twisting base mount, which can be wrapped around tree branches instead of the standard fixed mount. Or how about a mobile camera on wheels which can drive around and live view your house, or be triggered by automations to drive around and find the subject. And finally, which is a popular request on the Facebook group, is the ability to view multiple cameras all at once, which may be done via the Eufy web portal.